Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be learning about how can we create uh, data into a different format. As you can see, here is the sales column, and in this all the sales according to the different category is written, and we have to convert it into a rupee. So what I'll do is I'll just select all this, or else we can select whole column and go here and change it into currency. By just simply pressing, it will convert into a rupee, and we can also convert this into a dollar. If you want to convert into a dollar, what you have to do is you have to go towards more number format and then currency. Then you have to select the symbol, let's say USA, English United States, then press OK. Then it will be converted into a dollar. But as we are in India, so what we'll do is we will convert this into a rupee. So we will just select rupee symbol and just press OK. So as you can see, all the data is converted into a rupee. Else, also if I want to add more number of rows, so what I'll do is if I type this, so it will automatically convert into a rupee. So that's a quick wrap up. How can we convert data into a currency? So I hope you find this video useful, and if you find this video useful, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe for more, and press the bell notifications for further updates. So take care. Bye bye.